Hello everyone, welcome to Dental Hub. Now we'll start our lecture on glass ionomer cement. So first of all, first we will deal with the introduction part, that is what is glass ionomer cement. So it is a aesthetic tooth color restorative material. I hope you can see, make me know if you cannot see. So glass ionomer cement is a static tooth color restorative material with minimal cavity preparation requirements. It requires very less amount of cavity preparation, and it chemically adheres with the tooth. So it is one of the very important thing. So it gets chemically adheres with the tooth. Now the silicate cement plus polycarboxylate cement, they combine. The glass ionomer cement has both the properties of silicate cement and polycarboxylate cement. So you can see the glass represents the glass particles in the powder. As you all know, the glass ionomer cement or GIC present in the powder form. It can also be present in the liquid form. So an ionomer represents the ionic bond with tooth. That's we have already know it chemically adheres with the tooth. We'll get to know so many things about glass ionomer cement as the lecture goes on. So please don't skip it. Learn to the last. Now the other names of glass ionomer cement are polyalkanoate cement, or original polyalkanoate cement, and ASPA, aminosilicate aspa, aluminosilicate polyacrylic acid. Now applications, this is, always remember this diagram. Whenever close your eyes and remember this diagram. Class 5 and class 3. So it is used in the cavity preparation of class 3 and class 5 restoration. Now it can also be used as luting agent. You can see luting agent here. GIC is has been applied as a luting agent, and it can also be used as liners or bases. Now it can also be used as core buildup, and it can be also used as pit and fissure sealant. Moving on to the next topic, we will see the classification of GIC. So type 1, that is luting, type 2, that is restorative, and type 3, that is liners and bases. So it can be learned on the basis of the application of GIC. There is nothing to learn about. So now we will learn the mode of supply. The mode of supply, powder and liquid, we already know. The glass, the powder form, and the capsules, pre-con slab, you know everything. So capsules, it is also supply in the form of capsules, and the light cure system, and the powdered distilled water. Okay, it is a water settable type. Now composition, first of all deal with the powder. The powder is acid soluble, calcium fluoro and aluminosilicate glass. Now similar to silicate cements, but it has greater amount of alumina and lesser amount of silica. Now the amount of silica present in GIC in the powder form is 41.9%, and that of alumina is 28.6%. In silicate, this is vice versa, and not vice versa, not the amount, but the but aluminum content is more than silica. Now the aluminum fluoride is 1.6%, and calcium fluoride is 15.7%, and sodium fluoride is 9.3 and 3.8%. Now the fluoride content. The fluoride content is known as ceramic flux. Now the lanthanum, strontium, barium and ZnO, they provide the radio opacity to GIC or the tooth. They have a unique property of radio opacity. Now the liquid, we'll deal with the liquid. Now I'll deal with the liquid wala part. It has polyacrylic acid that is high in reactivity, and the eticonic acid that provides that has decreased viscosity, and the malic acid that decreases gelation, and the tricarboxylic acid that is tartaric acid that causes increased working time and decreased setting time, and the water. Even if we increase or decrease the amount of water, it reduces the physical problem. Now moving on to the next topic, we will talk about the manufacturing of GIC. Now all the components of powder are mixed together. Okay, you can see here all the particles of powder are mixed together and they are heated at a temperature of 1100 to 1500 degrees Celsius, and they are grounded to form a 5 particle size of GIC, that is 20 to 50 micrometer. Now we will understand the setting reaction. For setting reaction, you can see this is liquid, that is polyacrylic acid, and this is the powder, that is the glass particles. They release calcium ions, aluminum ions and fluoride ions. This process of oozing out of ions is known as leaching. Now the calcium cross links calcium plus polyacrylic acid, they form calcium polysols, and when aluminum cross links the aluminum plus polyacrylic acid, they form aluminum polysols. And the sodium, when sodium and fluoride ions, they don't take part in cross linking. Okay, now the calcium polysols and the aluminum polysols, they cross link with each other and do hydration. After hydration, they form silica gel sheet. Now we'll understand the structure of said cements. Okay, here you can see this is the unreacted particle. Okay, and this is the matrix, that is calcium and aluminum polysols, and this is the sodium and fluoride that does not take part in the cross linking wala process, and this is the silica gel, which after mixing of calcium and aluminum polysols, they after hydration they form silica gel. This and this is the unreacted particles. Now the setting time for type 1, that is the luting type, they require only 7 minutes, but type 2 restorative type, they requires only and only 4 to 5 minutes. Now we will understand the properties of GIC. Now for the mechanical properties, we'll quickly go through all the mechanical solubility and every properties of GIC. Now the compressive strength of GIC is 150 megapascal, that is sufficient. Okay, now the tensile strength, that is this is 6.6 megapascal, and the hardness is 49 kHn. Now the solubility and disintegration. For solubility and disintegration, initially the solubility is high, but it reduces with time. Now the complete setting requires only 24 hours, and the solubility for type 1 is for 0.25% by weight, and for type 2 it only requires 0.4% by weight. I hope this is not going fast. If this is going fast, I will reduce my speed. Okay, दिस इज़ जस्ट फॉर दैट कि इनिशियली जब हम कोई भी वीडियो देखते हैं एंड उसका ड्यूरेशन हाई होता है तो वैसे हमारा पढ़ने का मन नहीं करता है. एंड दिस इज़ वेरी सिंपल. इफ़ एनी डिफ़िकल्ट टॉपिक और एनी जो जिसके लिए हमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर देने की ज़रूरत है, ऐसा कोई टॉपिक आए तो आई definitely make you know, and I will slow my speed. I hope you all are understanding. Please make me know. Okay, now the property of adhesion. It adheres to enamel and dentin. हमने स्टार्टिंग से ही ये बात करी है कि द ग्लास आफ्टर मेकिंग आयंस दे मेक अ क्लोज कंटैक्ट विद द tooth. Now they adhere both to enamel and dentin. Mechanism of adhesion. The carboxyl group of polyacids chemically bonds with the calcium in apatite of enamel and dentin both. But the bonding of enamel is greater than dentin. Okay, so why enamel? Because it has increased amount of inorganic content. Moving on to the next topic. So biocompatibility and the anti-carcinogenic properties are the next properties of GIC. We will understand the manipulation rules. The first manipulation rule is conditioning of tooth, the next is proper manipulation, and then the protection of cement, and then the finish. So for conditioning of tooth, this is the smear layer. We will get to know what is smear layer. When we make any cavity, like we are making a cavity, okay, then a microscopic layer called a smear layer is left behind after cavity preparation always. So it's necessary to remove this smear layer to provide a proper adhesion between the GIC and the tooth. ठीक है, तो this can be achieved by two methods, polyacrylic acid or pumice. Okay, so when we are making any cavity, this is important. So we are making any cavity, okay, after cavity preparation, a smear layer, this layer has been formed. It's very important to remove this material out, because when we fill GIC here, this does not get attached to the tooth due to the smear layer, due to the presence of the smear layer. So this has to be removed. So this can be removed by two methods. First of all, if we can apply polyacrylic acid to this layer, 10% polyacrylic acid for 10 to 15 seconds, okay, and water 30 seconds, or we can even apply pumice slurry, okay. So this has to be removed, and when we apply GIC, then it get contacted with the enamel and then okay, more bonding with the enamel, always remember. Now the second rule of manipulation is proper manipulation. For proper manipulation, we will always have to maintain the powder liquid ratio, okay. So the powder liquid ratio should be accurate as indicated by manufacturers, okay. The manipulation, it can even by hand or mechanical process. By hand, before mixing bottles containing powder and liquid should be trumped, okay. Now cool glass slab, I'll show you how to do this. So this is something you really need to know, so I'm showing you the diagram. If you need, I can even prepare PPT for you. So this is the bottle of liquid, hand bottle vertically, we have to put it like this vertically. Now 2 drops of liquid and 1 level scoop of powder, okay. Now polymer mixing pad, or we can even take a glass slab, okay. So we have to do it in accurate manner, like in proper amount of powder and proper amount of liquid. You have to mix it like this, okay. We have to mix, okay. So before mixing bottles containing powder and liquid should be मतलब पहले तो ये कुछ भी लेने से, ये पाउडर या लिक्विड लेने से पहले we have to like tremble it, okay, mix it together, like कभी भी किसी दवाई को खोलने से पहले हम ऐसे करते हैं, we have to tremble it, okay. Now वो cool glass slab या फिर paper pad हम लेंगे, okay. Now the plastic spatula, okay, you can take plastic spatula, okay. Plastic spatula is used. Now powder is added into the liquid in increments, like powder पहले ज़्यादा नहीं लेंगे, बस 1 level, okay. You can see 1 level of scoop of powder. Now mixing, then we need more, we again mix, then we add more. So okay, first increment is added into liquid to form a milky homogeneous consistency. फर्स्ट वाला इंक्रीमेंट लेंगे, उसमें हम एक मिल्की सा होमोजेनस कंसिस्टेंसी देंगे उसको, ठीक है. नाउ उसके जब ये एक मिल्की होमोजेनस कंसिस्टेंसी हमारी बन जाएगी, उसके बाद जो रिमेनिंग इंक्रीमेंट्स होगा वो हम फोल्डिंग मेथड में देंगे, ओके. नाउ द मिक्सिंग टाइम ऑफ दिस हैंड वाला प्रोसेस जो ये हमारा हैंड प्रोसेस है, 2 तरह से मैनिपुलेशन होती है ना, तो हैंड वाले प्रोसेस में मिक्सिंग टाइम विल बी 45 seconds. नाउ विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज मैकेनिकल. मैकेनिकल is very simple, like proportionate capsules, like capsules like these, Miracle Mix, Kiddick Silver. So the capsules containing powder and liquid are used, okay. Now then it is added into high speed amalgamator, machine called amalgamator. I'll show you. This is the amalgamator. This is of 6,000 rupees or more. So it is even available on Amazon. So it is minimum of 6,000. Okay. So this is the amalgamator. So a proper amount of proportionate capsules of powder and liquid are used, and then it is added to the high speed amalgamator. So now we will understand what is the advantages of this mechanical mechanical manipulation. So it has control powder and liquid, so we don't have to like first make a milky mix, milky homogeneous consistency, then it does not require anything like this, and they require even less time, less mixing time, and this is easy to deliver, like 1 capsule, okay. Now disadvantages. For disadvantages, the amount of cement is limited. We cannot, if we want more of powder or liquid, then we don't have to access that, okay. You can only use 1 or 2 wells like that. अपनी मर्जी के मालिक नहीं. So the shades are really limited. Now what are the protection and shaping of cement during mixing, extremely sensitive to loss of water when exposed to air. Okay, what are the protection and shaping we have to done to during mixing? सबसे पहले तो they are extremely sensitive to loss of water. जैसे ही हम एयर में रखेंगे उनका जो वाटर होता है, वाटर कंटेंट, वो इवोपरेट हो जाता है, वो इवोपरेट हो जाता है। इसलिए मिक्सिंग के पहले रेस्टोरेशन के टाइम पे जब हम मिक्स करते हैं उसके पहले हम एक परफॉर्म मैट्रिक्स डाल देते हैं, लाइक प्री शेप यहाँ पे, जैसे कि हम इसको जब एनवायरनमेंट में लाएं तो ये इवापोरेट ना हो, इस वाटर लॉस ना हो, इसके लिए हम यहाँ पे एक मैट्रिक्स ला देते हैं। ओके, प्री शेप मैट्रिक्स फॉर प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट एनवायरनमेंट। नाउ मैट्रिक्स ऑल्सो एस्टेब्लिश कॉन्टूर ऑफ द रेस्टोरेशन, सो दिस मैट्रिक्स ऑल्सो एस्टेब्लिश द कॉन्टूर so that minimal finishing is required. Okay, so this matrix has two uses. One, it loss of water होने से रोकता है, yeah. Now it also requires less finishing. Now it can protect either by application of, if we can even apply varnish, bonding agent or cocoa butter. Okay, now the finishing एक्सेस मटेरियल ट्रिम। ओके, जो भी हमारा एक्सेस मटेरियल रह जाएगा हम उसको ट्रिम कर लेंगे। नाउ हैंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर प्रेफर्ड टू अवॉइड एलजी। नाउ द प्रोटेक्शन बिफोर डिसमिसिंग द पेशेंट वार्निश। ओके, प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे हम उसको। उसके बाद चौकी क्रेज सरफेस, इट प्रॉपर प्रोटेक्शन इज नॉट टेकन। अगर हमने प्रॉपर प्रोटेक्शन नहीं लिया तो हमें chalky surface देखने को मिलेगा. Okay, now the precautions. Now these all were the 4 rules of manipulation. First we have learned the conditioning, then proper manipulation, then protection, and then finishing. Now we'll learn the read about precautions. Mix should be closely residual polyacid adhesive to the tooth. Now the liquid should not be placed in refrigerator, avoid it become viscous. Now air contact avoided by appreciate matrix. Okay, now the glass slab not cooled before dew point, it become moist and it changes the acid base reaction. Now the modification of GIC to improve the physical problems of GIC, metal modified and GIC modified. 2 types of modification have been done. So resin modified GIC, this is conventional, acid plus D, this is moisture sensitive, then GIC plus HEMA, hydroxyl methoxylate, methiacrylate, acid plus base. Okay. These are the other names, and this is the composition of powder and liquid and leachable glass, and the initiator for chemical light cutting. Liquid for we have for liquid water, polyacid, carboxylic acid group modified. So this is not that important. And the next is its physical properties. You can see the physical properties. Okay, so this is not much important. Modifications are usually not important. So that is it. This is the metal modified GIC. This increases strength, this increases fracture toughness, this increases resistance for wear. This can be of 2 methods: silver alloy admix or the ceramic, spherical alloy plus type 2 GICM. These are the properties. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Keep supporting and encourage me to do more videos. Thank you so much. Love. Keep learning. Bye bye.